Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man wey dey talk am as e be, dey ask, now which kind government be this? The Lagos State Governor don lock down again. Make I leave you, make you hear from Apostle Alfred, the message we get for the Lagos Governor. Enjoy the video.
Hello, my brothers and sisters. Good morning. We thank God for this beautiful day when He don create. Now only one they put road where road not dey. Now only God they talk word wey they reach, and nobody they argue that word. Merry Christmas in advance. Una well done, and God will continue to bless all of una. My brothers for Nigeria and for Bodo Ibo, and God will bless all of una. When una don't take time, they follow this broadcast. Now not mine. As soon as they subscribe, una they follow, una they share them. Now God will bless all of una. This morning, I want to talk to our ungodly government. Government when they say food, warm, no they eat food for their belly. Which kind of government be this? Which kind of government be this? We go continue to the talk, whether they like them or not. Until they hear, we no go stop to the talk. Until they hear our word, until they hear our cry, we no go stop to the talk. Now, which kind of government be this? See, Lagos State Government, what do they call it? Says Sanwo-Olu. He don't declare another shutdown for Lagos. Shut down without adequate provision. Shut down without thinking about the plight of the people. Leaders that are insensitive. Leaders that don't care about the people. Now, poor people, they bring coronavirus come to this country. Now, the so-called politicians, not them, bring coronavirus, COVID-419. Now, they bring and come to this country, Nigeria. Now, you are declaring another shutdown in Lagos State and other states. Which provision have you guys made? What has been the adequate provision? Hunger virus worse than coronavirus. Nothing. You people now they think ahead. How do we take care of the people? How do we ensure that the people still have food to eat? How do we see how we can give arm to the less privileged in society? We do not care. All you people are talking about will let us shut down because of COVID-419. Hunger virus is stronger, is worse than coronavirus. Who bring the coronavirus? Now. Our politicians now carry coronavirus come to this country. Because you guys are insensitive. Because we know they think. Because we know they reason well. Everything we are going to like to take advantage of the situation in Nigeria. Just to keep oppressing the poor. Make una not worry. The God of the poor will rise and begin to fight for the poor. And all of you oppressing the poor in this country will have God to contend with. This is Christmas season. Which you don't do to cushion the effect of hardship in the country. In other developed country, even when they talk say no celebration in other country because of COVID-19, go and check how the government treats the people. The government ensure that they have food, everything. They make adequate supply. The ones they need to give money, they give them money. But our own, we don't they give money, we don't they give food, but rather now to continue to create problem, making life miserable for the people. Because people do not care about the plight of the poor. Other developed countries right now, they're already thinking, what are they going to do to ensure that the citizens have peace, that the citizens have life? Now who get life? Now who their life? Now they talk about government. Now who their life? Now they think about how you take govern the people. Because it is the people that make up the government. You people don't care about the people. In a developed country, they're already making an adequate plan. Okay, we're about to shut down. What do? They ensure that life is well for the people. There is light, there is food, there is water, everything. They want they need to give money, they give money. But in Nigeria, you don't give light, you don't give food, you don't give water, you don't give anything. What kind of wicked government is this in Nigeria? Wicked government be this. All over the country, you guys are insensitive. A day is coming when the poor will have nothing to eat. They will start eating the rich people. Because the rich also cry. Very soon, una will cry. Una will look for poor people to help una. Nobody will help you guys. A country that does not care about the citizen. The country leader that does not have human feeling. Now you want to say shut down. Shut down waiting. You want to shut down business. You want to shut down schools. You shut down everything. May God, as soon as they plan to shut this country down, may God also shut our resources down. As a good economist, what do? You diversify. All right, if I shut this down, if I shut this thing, what I want, nothing. You guys just don't think. You guys just don't think. All you need is a quick passing law. When I know copy good law, when the Western world they pass, or when I keep copying bad and wicked and evil laws, you are thinking of shutting down. What are the modalities? What are the preparations? What are those things that we put on ground? So that for the season, the state or the country will be shut down, the people will not suffer. The people will have food to eat. No, because you guys are insensitive. But they refuse to close international airports because their loved ones and their family, they are still there. They are still there. Because by the time you open the airport, your family will keep coming, your family keep bringing problems into this country. Yeah, the poor masses, the people cannot feed for themselves. You are making them to suffer. Because any small thing, when I enter a chopper, una go run. Una go run. We will continue to speak against you guys. Enough is enough. On Friday, just Christmas. Every year for Nigeria, just be like graveyard. No food. People are hungry. People are dying of starvation. People don't think. Oh, when I go say, okay, now the palliative one and keep for second phase, people go break. If you share that food, even the rice one keep, the rice don't is spoil, Gary don't is spoil. Okay, now that one I want to capitalize on now. So okay, you people kept the food for second wave. For first wave, people don't chop. Now second wave, none of the plan for. No mind them, my brother. No mind them. Leader that does not think. Leader that does not reason well. Any leader that failed to take care of the citizen, a day will come, the citizen will turn their back against them and they will have nobody to cry to. You will just wake up, pass useless law. Oh, we are shutting down. We are locking down. Locking down where? What are you locking down? Do you pay money to people's accounts? Do you pay 200,000 or 100,000 into people's accounts? So they can quickly go to the market, get food stuff for themselves, for the season you are going to shut down? No. Do you even know the numbers of people in Lagos State and in Nigeria? No, because people do not have the database. A country that fails to plan for the future will eat up the future and the future will cry against them. Insensitive and wicked and ungodly leaders in the corridor of power. You are shutting down everywhere. Shutting down without adequate provision. As a good economist, what do? You look for modalities, you look for ways how to get it done, how to ensure that even if you are shutting down, the people will still have something work to do, they will still have more than enough food to eat, if they will not be crying. But today, nothing. You get only care about yourself. What a wicked government. What a wicked set of people in the corridor of power who only care about themselves. In other developed countries right now, they make life easy for the people. But yeah, people keep making life difficult for the masses. People keep making life difficult for the masses. No wonder old women in our village that were supposed to be taken care of, we call them witch. Why? Because of hunger. Old men that are supposed to be taken care of, we call them witches and wizards because oh God. In a developed country, those old men, they respect and they honor them. But in Nigeria, we disregard old men and old women. We say let them go and die. Rather, we call them witch. Why will you not call them witch after you have made life miserable for them? You call them witch because you have made life miserable for them. What kind of ungodly government is it? The government that does not care about the plight of the people. The government who only care about themselves and their generation. It's just to steal money now I know. But yet, people cannot think how to make life good for the people. A country where there is no life and you are shutting down, how will the people survive? No water, no good healthcare system. Nothing is working in the country. And you are saying you are shutting down. Shutting down what? Shutting down what? What are you shutting down? Leaders who act before they think. Leaders who act before they think. Very soon, the masses will start acting before they think. Then I go clear. When I go clear very soon. When I go clear. A girl where you go push go to reach, you go turn back, you go use her hit your brocos, you go bust. Things are becoming so difficult. Things are becoming so rough in the country. Things are not getting better. And you guys are not doing anything to ensure that things are okay. No. Since I was born, now I'm getting old. We are still shutting up NEPA. Nothing is working well. To feed gas na problem. To feed gas na problem. Fuel na 170. Some 800 na 200 naira. What kind of a country is this ruled by leaders that do not care about the people? Like Banana Republic, Animal Farm. Even Animal Farm, they say all animals are equal, but they know what they do. But Nigeria our leaders are animal who only feed for themselves and never care about the plight of the people. And the major challenges you are facing today from the top. Why will Buhari be saying the open border and the Lagos state government say they are shutting down the state? Buhari say, okay, I open border. You fell closer for no reason. Now you open up. The Lagos state, they shut down the state. Why will you shut down the state? Because of COVID-19? All you need to you put measures in your ground to contain the excesses of the people and not to shut down the system. Governor that doesn't have plan for economy. Come and learn from Edo State government how to run economy. Go on, come and learn. Governor of Lagos State, come and learn from Edo State government how to manage states. Come and learn. Come and learn from Edo State government if you don't know what you are doing. Come learn from Obaseki, Lagos State Governor Sanwo-Olu. If you don't know how to run or manage economy, come and learn from Governor Obaseki. Know how to manage people. Come and learn how to manage resources. You don't need to shut down the system before you know how to govern the people. Insensitive leaders that don't have brain. Have you ever make an announcement to say that Christmas have come? We are giving everybody in Lagos State bonus. In fact, the federal government will make an announcement when I get our BVN. But yet, NCDC will send us message talking about coronavirus and the COVID-19, whatever. You people doesn't know how many people we have in Nigeria. Have we ever received free money in this country? No. We have never received any money free from the government. We will never give out loan for this country. It's okay, later you will pay back. It has never happened. It has never happened because you get an insensitive, wicked set of people. Leaders who only care about themselves. Leaders who only care about themselves. But I know the judgment of God is going to visit all of you. But I know the judgment of God is going to visit all of you. He who shot his boy against the cry of the people, he himself will also cry, and nobody will attend to him. Nigeria, wake up. We can no longer be suffering and smiling. We can no longer be suffering and smiling. Wicked set of people, ungodly government. What kind of government is this? People are suffering, running enter scatter. Not that you people bring out transport to bring out vehicle to cushion the effect, to reduce it, nothing. And you are saying you are shutting down the economy while the people keep suffering. What a wicked set of leaders. We'll continue to talk to now to our guessings. We'll continue to talk to now to our guessings. God bless Nigeria. God bless the good people of this country. For those of you who don't take care of ourselves to provide food for our brothers for Nigeria, now God will bless you now. Even now for Nigeria here, they make sure that they share from what you now get, and God will bless you now. And God will punish all the evil leaders where they control us for this country. Whether you be governor, whether you be president, whether you be House of Reps member, we don't care to know. For as many of you now when they make all the suffer of this country, now God will punish you now. Now God now will punish you now. So my brothers, now God will bless all of you now. One until they think well about us for this country. If not be our brothers of Odebo, when they bring food, come give us. Everybody for not die finish because the leaders don't care. Tomorrow now they will say, it was the palliative we kept for second wave that people broke into it. Why did you keep the palliative? We are not supposed to share it. Palliative that some government officials were sharing for themselves. Government officials were sharing the palliative for themselves. Now the only they eat remain they go keep. What a wicked set of people. People donated money for that palliative. People brought out billions of naira for that palliative. What do you guys do? Or to store it, waiting for the second wave. First wave, people don't chop. Hand will meet you now. That's why I want to carry this morning. God will bless all of you now. Please keep doing good. Keep being nice to your loved ones. And see God doing wonders in your life. God bless you. And have a blessed day. Thank you.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. If you get anything for mind where you would like add join with Apostle Alfred don't talk today, you fit put on for comment section. And make you also try help us share this video to friends and family. If you never subscribe to Dan AIG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for day current with all the things where they happen for Nigeria. So make I leave you with this video, make you help us share. Thank you for watching Dan AIG YouTube.